Alright, what's up y'all? It's your boy Zach here with another YouTube video on the bug. Just thinking, I really like these taillights. Picked up some other ones on Facebook Marketplace for 50 bucks. So yeah, let's take a gander at them. Nice little set. Kind of put this one already together, but yeah, they're flush mounted. They should look pretty good on there. Make it a little more modern looking, which is what I'm going for. Got the Porsche 914 wheels on there too. So yeah, next clip is gonna be me taking those off and slowly putting these on. And I'm also switching every light to LED, so yeah, that'll look pretty good. So I want to get a little Phillips screwdriver. There's 4 screws here. Let me point them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there should be some more on the inside. So let's get this off. So once you get the 4 screws out, and they're recessed too, so they won't fall, or like the ones where they don't fall off. So that's good. So just put that to the side. Mine are in good condition, so I might resell them. I don't know. But yeah, this is now where you will have to go to the inside of the fender, and there should be a little nut holding it on. But yeah, the new taillights totally different like design. So yeah, next clip will be me taking these off. All right, so I got the nuts off of that, and it is they're just little tiny things. It is a size 8. So y'all know what size it is. Should just go straight out, boom, and then you just gotta undo all the little connectors there. So yeah, right, and boom, I got the new ones in. Same exact way. When you install these, it's a total opposite way of taking it off, obviously, you know. So I swapped everything to LED. It's the same thing as if you're going with the regular incandescent bulbs, I think is what it's called. So yeah, I think they look good. It gives it the more modernish look that I'm going for. So yeah, make sure y'all like and subscribe. See you later, goobers.